He made a pledge of 1 million that day.
Actually, he did not mention amount. He says that they will give us a transport, what will transport us from there. So actually, we don't know, but we were not given any kobo up to now. We were not given any kobo. It was even me that I have to look on to where to keep my computer and other things to transport those students.
But some of the principal officers at the government level were talking about their own share and all that, about the 1 million naira. Are you sure you are not aware of it?
Yes, actually, what made me to say so, it was because no kobo, no penny has been given to students in respect to that. So to that we were still, if there is, we were still expecting. But honestly speaking, previously I was a chief of staff to the previous government. If you see His Excellency, normally they give 500 or 1 million naira. So we don't know what actual amount the governor has made a release to us, but we were not.
The chief of staff, what did he tell you? He didn't tell you that the governor released any money? Because if the government did not release any money, some of the principal officers will not call you to say, oh, hey, the money has been released, keep our share and all that. What's your take on that?
Yes, actually, I don't know about this because we were still making effort to see how we can.
After you heard that the 1 million naira was released, did you call the chief of staff to confirm?
Some students were even calling, that time that we exchanged number, it was publicly. Some students were even calling those numbers, asking for their money, this and that, this and that. This is what I had because it was during my exams period. I even have to switch off my phone in respect to this to concentrate on the exams that I'm on. So the issue is giving that money. We were not really sure because up to now I did not see him we did not meet one-on-one with him to discuss in respect to this issue of money, because if that money has been given, we were still calling on whosoever is holding that money to release the money for the student, because I see no reason why you will be giving a money to give student and you say that you will not give student. In respect to your children are also students.
We also had that a particular percentage out of your scholarship was also withdrawn in order to settle some other political issues in the state. Is that true?
Yes, actually, you see, I can say about this. When we were with His Excellency, he says that he'll give part of the money. And when one of the governor's aide is addressing the crowd outside, he says that a 50% has been released. Believe me, a 50% of such amount is 150 million naira. Because we were about 31,000 student naira and a 300 million naira for the 2012 scholarship allowance. So in respect to this, when I confirmed from the board that they were telling me that it was only 20 million naira, of which is even less than 10% of the money. So to that I says I was even looking up to how to start, because the money will not even pay those students in state capital. It cannot pay FCE, it cannot pay our students in SPY and even FUTI that we have highest population, or no any unless legal studies. So to that, this is how we discuss with the people of the board. I don't even know how managed that 50% has come less than 10% we were receiving.
So that means the government officials gave you a wrong figure. When you got to the board, what you met at the board was different from what the government officials told you.
This is what is in our mind. That is it either the government or the board people. This is what is in our mind, and in fact, whereas on this issue we are still standing, we are still on our feet to look onto and to find out these issues. In respect to this, we will plead with the government to give us the actual figure. If it takes necessary, we will liaise with the person chairing the committee on education to help us check onto this, and we still, as we were expecting that, as he promised, he says before the year's ends he will completely pay the money. Whether 10% or less than 10% or so has been given, we were expecting that hopefully before the ends of this December the entire 300 million naira has to be dropped into the scholarship account, as it is 2012.
Now, how much do you have in the scholarship account compared to what government has promised? How much do you have?
Actually, the account has only been reconciled with the 20 million naira.
As of today?
Yes, as I today, I don't know the state of the account because they were paying some students in Taraba, as I told you earlier, and those students that did not collected their money from Taraba, I still call on them. We send letters to them, to their management, and to the unions there that they should tell those students to come. And we were making our releases on air that if you are in so place and you did not get your scholarship, you should go to the scholarship board and collect your money. If you have any complaint, I have dropped my number. That you call me via this my number. You tell me the challenges you face with the scholarship board people, whereas our office is beside them. Then we will look onto how we will find out if truly you are a continuous student. You must benefit that money, and if you have applied.